Hello everyone, so today we are going to make a crochet giant leaf which will be helpful for all of my crocheters who crochet bouquets and flowers and want to add some giant leaves in the bouquets and with their flowers to give it a nice look. So we will be making a big leaf today, and for that I'm using these two yarn. These are from the same company, Bon, and this is the light shade and it's the darker shade of green. So I'll be using light shade here in the center and dark all around, but you can use only one. I'm using these two colors make a good understanding of pattern. Let's get started. We are starting with the light color. Let's get started. Chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now single crochet in the second chain, and how we make it: insert the crochet hook in a second chain, pull the thread. Now we have two loops on the hook, yarn over from two loops. That's how we made a single crochet. Now single crochet till the last chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, that's all. That was the first step. Okay, now step 2, I'm going to attach the green yarn. Okay, that was the first step. Now turn the work here, and first stitch we have here, as you can see, this one, I am attaching the green yarn here and just tying it with a simple knot like this. Okay, now chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. See, one more single crochet. Okay, now 2 double crochets. How we make double crochets: yarn over the crochet hook, insert the crochet hook in a stitch, pull the thread. Now we have 3 loops on the crochet hook, yarn over from 2 loops and yarn over from the 2 loops. That's how we made a double crochet. One more double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, now in the next 3 stitches we are going to make triple crochets, and how we do that: yarn over the crochet hook one more time, see, like this, insert the crochet hook, pull the thread. Now we have 4 loops on the crochet hook, yarn, pull the thread from first 2 loops, then pull the thread from next 2 loops, and now we have only 2 loops here, pull the thread from 2 loops, and we made a triple crochet. Okay, triple crochet in the next one, one more triple crochet. Okay, now we are going to make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Okay, this is the last stitch from this part, where I'm going to do 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and then chain 2. Okay, now the other side of the work, we have 10 stitches here, just like we had 10 stitches here. So the first stitch, I'm going to enter the crochet hook and I'm making 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Now 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Just going to mimic the same pattern here, 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches, Okay, 1, 2, and 3. See, now 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Okay, now we have last 2 stitches, single crochet here and single crochet in the last, and just a slip stitch in the first chain we made here, slip stitch. See, that was the second step. Now let's move toward the third step. For the third step, I'm making chain 1 and then single crochets in all the stitches till the point we have made chains in the last step. Okay, single crochet again, and we will be making single crochets till the chains like this. Okay, if you are going to use this leaf in a bouquet or something, you can use a crafting wire in the last step, and the crafting wire will give it a very firm look. Now in 2 chains we are making 3 single crochets. Yes, like this. Now again single crochets till the last stitch. Crochet leaves are a bit tricky, but once you understand the pattern, it's very easy to crochet. And now last, and I will be making slip stitch in the starting chain. Okay, now I'm getting the thread. Here we have extra yarn. You can just cut it or you can stitch it. I'm going to cut it because I'm going to use this leaf in a bouquet, so I won't be needing that yarn. Just need to like set it a little and our big leaf is ready. See,